Now if you've got a satellite cable that is the thin version, the 4.7, and you find that the F plug that you've got won't fit, the best thing to do here is to strip it back as per normal. Simply fold the braid back and take the foil off, and then when you've done that, remove the inner insulation. This will then reveal the inner copper core. And then what you're going to do now is to slide carefully the F plug over it. There's no screwing here. You can trim up the excess if you require. But now we're going to crimp it using my good sturdy cutters. You just need to apply a fair bit of pressure. And when you've done that, just check it to see whether it is on tight. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if this video gave you value, then please share, like and subscribe.